I told you the secret to creating generational wealth is not to avoid taxes, but to embrace it? You see, when we use a family trust structured properly, we're actually filing all of our income on a 1041 tax return with the IRS. Why on earth would we do that? They're taxed at 37%, right? Only when distributed. So what does that mean? It means that if I drive $1 million into this family trust out of my business profit, and I do it properly, I've got videos on that, but I drive $1 million in profit to my family trust and I want to defer taxes, what do? I use the money inside the trust on legitimate deductions. What are legitimate deductions? IPAs, income producing assets. We've also got HEMS, health, education, maintenance, and support. All legitimate deductions inside the family trust. And the difference is I'm embracing the tax liability. I say, yes, I do owe you all this money. Instead of me paying you this year though, I'll pay you next year because you told me I can do that. And when I say that, I can then pass the tax liability year by year by year by year, and I can kick the can down the road for generations. This right here is what the ultra wealthy do. You think Donald Trump paid $5,500 in taxes last year because he was fun to be around? Absolutely not. It's because he has a properly structured irrevocable trust and he's spending the money inside the trust on all legitimate deductions, and it creates generational wealth. You see, we're not eliminating taxes. We're not buying random stuff we don't need. We're deferring the taxes year by year by year, and I'm embracing the tax liability because it's never going to come. Guys, if you want to know how to do this, it's not that complex. All you got to do is comment structure down below, and I will give you guys the blueprint of how to structure your business, your life, and everything to make sure that you have the same amount of tax liability as Donald Trump, which is nothing.